Today, me and Tara are going to make pav. How do we make pav? First, you have to take milk. Oh, you want to pour it in?
Yeah.
Gently. Yeah. Then, we need to put yeast.
Yeast.
Yeah. Wait, let me get a spoon. Don't do anything to it. Let me get a spoon. There we go. And
Oops, I almost put it.
what do we need next? We need some sugar. Here it is. No, that's flour. This is sugar. Wait, let me do it. There we go. Sugar. And what you can do is gently stir it. Yeah? Gently. A little bit more like that.
Okay.
Yeah? Now we wait. Well, I think our yeast is activated. Because yeast, Tara, is like live material, so I think it keeps growing inside. So what do we need to do next? We have to take this plain flour, 450 grams, and it's also got salt in it. So slowly pour it in.
I thought we were going to do with that.
That's fine, we can pour it in like that. And now comes the interesting part, where we have to just keep kneading it, which is like this, with your hands.
Can I help?
You can. Once, let me just do it a little bit, then you can help. Have you washed your hands?
Yes.
Very good. Let Babee do this part.
Throw my
This
hand.
takes 15 minutes.
Ow.
Yeah.
I thought you said I can do it in a bit and that's not.
Yeah. So let me pause the video and then let me knead it and then we'll come back. Now we've been kneading this for 15 minutes. That's a long time. Tara has decided to play her piano in the meantime. But this is how the dough looks. And now I'm going to add some butter in it and keep kneading it for another 10-15 minutes. And then I'll show you how it looks. Tara, you can keep playing your piano. That's fine. There you go. This is about butter, 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to start kneading it. And then once it's done, I'll come back to the video to save you from boredom. There we go. Tara, this is now done. It looks like this after kneading for 15-20 minutes. Now we're going to cover it and we're going to leave it for 1 hour.
1 hour?
Yes, that's what we're going to do. So we're going to now cover it and leave it. So we can switch this thing off and we come back once it's done.
Can I cover it?
Yeah. Right, so here we are after 1 hour. Tara, you want to open the door and see?
Yeah.
How much has it done? Let me pull that out. Damn, fully wrapped. Look how big it has become. Wait, let's just see. This is how big it has become now. Tara, you can go punch it lightly. Yeah? And can you knead it a bit, like few times? Just go fold it, foldy. Yeah? Is it soft or is it like hard?
Soft.
Good.
Sticky.
Now, should Babee take it out?
Take it out of what?
Yeah, let me take it. We put it on here.
Okay.
Oh, it's warm as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite warm.
Yeah.
Can I taste it?
No.
Oh, it's raw.
Yeah. Right, let's keep it here. Wait. Okay?
Can I do it?
Yeah, just make it a big ball, very gently.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we have to cut it into. Let me just fold it a few times.
Can
Now.
I cut it into those little triangles?
No, we need a knife. So who uses a knife then?
I've used one of those knives in school.
No, we need the big one. So big one is for Babee. Let me get a knife. Right, so we've got a knife.
Yes.
And you have to make it into 8 pieces.
Yes, into 8 pieces.
This is 2, 4, 6, and
8!
yeah.
Oh, it looks like a flower.
Yeah. Let me put it back.
But Babee, the thing's not fully cut, see? How
That's
it's-
fine, don't worry. So whilst all this was happening, Babee was putting butter inside this tray. So can you do this? Take one of these out like that and make it into a ball
Yeah,
and make it into like a ball.
yeah, I can do it.
There you go.
I'll take it out very carefully. Really, with my fingers.
You can just split it out like that. There you go, see? Here you go. Make it into a ball. Now making 8 balls, people will get a bit bored. So let's pause the video and we'll come back once the balls are ready. Okay? So we put the doughs and we have put them into 8 balls. Well, reasonably same size. And now Tara is going to paint them with milk gently. Go on. On all of them. Here also, take this here. Other one. Another one's here. No, not a lot, just a little bit. Very good.
Each ball
Just
gets
a little bit, here, a little bit. There we go. Now we just need to cover it with a piece of cloth. Let's get a piece of cloth. Here it is. And then wait for 20 minutes. And in the meantime, we're going to get our oven heated up to 190 degrees. Fan oven. And we wait 20 minutes. You can keep playing your piano after that. Okay, Tara, how do you think this look? You take a
Good.
look.
Now we're going to take this cloth off and put these in the oven. So this is what it looks like.
How long are we going to put it in the oven for?
For 20 minutes.
And how hot is the oven?
Really hot.
180 degrees. So we're going to put this oven in the oven and then we'll come back, okay?
Yes.
Right, so these have now come out of the oven. I need to put some butter on it to make it shiny. There we go. Healthy amount of unhealthy butter. And now, what we need to do is cover these again for 20 minutes and then we should be done. There's a lot of things to be done for 20 minutes repeatedly. Right, I'll come back to you once it's done. There we go, Tara. I think it's ready. We've covered it with a cloth for 15 minutes. This feels nice and warm. So let's take it to her. It feels nice and soft. Look at that. You want to try a small one? The small one for the small person.
Yeah.
There you go. You want to try some of it and tell me how it is?
It's yum.
Yay! Okay. See you soon with our next recipe.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye.